Welcome to Portuma tutorial. Import the Unity packages you downloaded from our website to your project. From Package Manager, click plus on top left corner, then add package from Git URL and type com.unity.nugget.newtonsoft-json. Open Player Settings. On Player tab, open Other Settings and scroll down until you find Script Compilation. Symbol called wplex_android_disable_automatic_posing. Then click Apply. We are done with installations. Next steps are ad placement. Prefab folder inside the Portuma folder. Drag and drop Web Ad Manager to the scene where you find ads to show. You can edit camera range, depends on the game, but advise the Portuma developers for better performance. WebAd game object is where ads will be seen. Drag and drop how many you want to the scene. You can change their ad type or edit their size as you prefer. Check if there's a space at the end or beginning after copying. Open Play Mode to test if ads are placed correctly, and you are done with Portuma SDK installation.